Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with another Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve tutorial. We're on version 16, but it should work with most versions. What we're doing here is going to remove the audio from this video here. So we have a piece of video with audio in the timeline. What you're going to do is actually just right-click on the clip. You're going to unlink the clip here. And then from here, just click anywhere else to deselect it. Then go back and click on the audio only and just hit the delete key or right click and delete selected. Okay, that's it. That's how you delete the audio from your video. I want to thank everybody for watching as usual. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, hit the bell, all that good jazz, and we'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.